Apatate Forte is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. When taking Apatate Forte, it's important to follow the directions provided by your doctor or on the product package. You should take this medication by mouth, usually once daily, and do not exceed the recommended dosage. It's best to use a medication measuring device to ensure you are taking the correct dose, and if the medication is in liquid form, be sure to shake the bottle well before each dose. In order to get the most benefit from Apatate Forte, it's important to take it regularly at the same time each day. This will help you remember to take it and ensure that you are getting the full benefit of the medication. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach, these side effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body adjusts to Apatate Forte. If these effects persist or worsen, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people using Apatate Forte do not experience serious side effects. Although very rare, a severe allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek immediate medical attention if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of potential side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned, consult your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's important to keep Apatate Forte out of reach of children, especially if it contains iron. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children younger than 6 years. If overdose does occur, it's important to seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Always consult a healthcare professional before giving this medication to children. Before taking Apatate Forte, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to its ingredients or any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. It's also important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems such as ulcers or colitis. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia. Untreated vitamin B12 deficiency may result in serious nerve problems, so it's important to consult your doctor for details. If you are using the liquid form of this product, it may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so it's important to use caution if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease. Be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss with your doctor before using this medication. When taking Apatate Forte, it's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. This can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking Apatate Forte at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. Check with your doctor or pharmacist to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. It's important to discuss these potential interactions with your healthcare provider to ensure the safe and effective use of Apatate Forte. If someone has taken too much Apatate Forte and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's important to take the proper dosage of Apatate Forte as prescribed by a healthcare professional to avoid these potential risks. Always follow the recommended daily dosage and take Apatate Forte at the optimal timing suggested by your doctor. Be sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that Apatate Forte is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's best to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. Make sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary recommendations given by your doctor. If you forget to take a dose of Apatate Forte at the scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Apatate Forte at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Make sure to keep it out of the reach of children and pets. When it expires or is no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.